Wall Street Journal reporter Evan Gershkovich appeared in court in Russia for the second hearing in his trial on espionage charges. Gershkovich, a 32-year-old American journalist who denies any wrongdoing, went on a trial behind closed doors last month in the Russian city of Yekaterinburg, where he faces charges of espionage, which would carry a sentence of up to 20 years in prison. Prosecutors allege that Gershkovich gathered secret information on the orders of the US Central Intelligence Agency about a company that manufactures tanks for Russia's war in Ukraine.
Мы не то чтобы отказались их возвращать, мы не отказываемся. Мы хотим договориться, и эти договоренности должны быть взаимоприемлемыми и должны устраивать обе стороны. У нас на этот счет контакты есть с американскими партнерами. И диалог идет на этот счет. Он непростой, но я сейчас не буду вдаваться в детали, но в целом мне кажется, что мы говорим на понятном для друг друга языке. Надеюсь, что мы найдем решение.
В Свердловском областном суде началось рассмотрение уголовного дела в отношении гражданина США Эвана Гершковича. Он обвиняется в совершении преступления, предусмотренного статьей 276 Уголовного кодекса Российской Федерации, то есть шпионаж. Следствием установлено и документально подтверждено, что американский журналист газеты The Wall Street Journal Эван Гершкович в марте 2023 года по заданию ЦРУ собирал секретные сведения на территории Свердловской области о деятельности оборонного предприятия по выпуску и ремонту военной техники. Незаконные действия Гершкович совершал с соблюдением тщательных мер конспирации. Предварительное расследование проведено Следственным управлением ФСБ России.
Officers of the FSB Security Services arrested him on March 29, 2023 at a steakhouse in Yekaterinburg, 900 miles east of Moscow. He has since been held in Moscow's Lefortovo prison. Gershkovich, his newspaper and the US government all reject the allegation and say he was merely doing his job as a reporter accredited by the Foreign Ministry to work in Russia.
What's your message to Russia right now as they're detaining this Wall Street Journal reporter?
Let him go. We're in process.
Yes, I made the determination yesterday that he is being wrongfully detained by Russia. President Biden had an opportunity to speak to his family today, I believe. I've spoken to your colleagues, including leadership of the Wall Street Journal, multiple times about Evan's situation. When I spoke to Foreign Minister Lavrov about a week ago now, just after Evan was detained, I of course pressed for his immediate release, but I also pressed for immediate consular access to him.
This verdict to further prolong Evan's detention feels particularly painful, as this week marks the one-year anniversary since Evan was arrested and wrongfully detained in Yekaterinburg for simply doing his job as a journalist.
This espionage charges are ridiculous. The targeting of American citizens by Russian government is unacceptable. We condemn the detention of Mr. Gershkovich in the strongest terms.
The court hearing his case said earlier this week that his trial would resume on July 18 instead of August 13 at the request of Gershkovich's defense lawyers. The court said that July 18's hearing will be closed to the press and the next time the media will have access to Gershkovich will be when the verdict is announced. Closed trials are standard in Russia for cases of treason or espionage involving classified material. Kremlin says the case and the trial arrangements are a matter for the court but has stated without publishing evidence that Gershkovich was caught red-handed. US officials have repeatedly said that the charges are a sham and that Russia is using Gershkovich and another jailed American former Marine, Paul Whelan, as bargaining chips for possible prisoner exchange.